Afternoon, Agent Energy Carbon Clean. We've got a Vauxhall Astra 2010, 136,000 on the clock. This is a repeat customer. The owner's done a couple more years with the mileage on this. Wanted to get us back to get it checked out, get it cleaned up. Now, did have a bit of an incident on travel just before Christmas. The car lost a little bit of power. He had to get recovery out. They basically found nothing wrong on the day. And then drove pretty normally after that. Basically wanted to just get us to check it over, get it cleaned up. So it has been a couple of years. I've got the diagnostics in, 2 codes immediately, which coolant thermostat valve stuck. So from there, dive straight into the live data, and yeah, sure enough, it's running about 106, 107 degrees, and getting hotter and hotter. So basically today, although it's below freezing, we've popped the bonnet back up, put the heating on full inside, and that's keeping it around about 95, 96 degrees. But that thermostat's not opening, not venting the temperature, it's just getting too hot. It's probably not been so much of an issue with all the really cold weather recently and the cold air going into the radiator, but get this car into the summer and it's going to overheat and cause massive problems. So new thermostat needed on this as soon as possible. Other than that, there's an old code in there: exhaust, camshaft, phasing, mechanics, range, performance. Other than that, all the live data looks spot on. All the codes are pretty minimal elsewhere in the vehicle, so it's just those, and then this is running pretty sweet. Not a massive amount of mileage since the last time we've been to it. A little bit of noise crept back in. Fuel economy's dropped off since we last saw it. So new thermostat on this, get it cleaned up, and then hopefully this will be back to its best.